Disillusioned by the caste system, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar decided that though he was born as a Hindu, he would not die as one. After this declaration, he extensively studied the doctrines of all the major religions to finally choose Buddhism for himself and his followers. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar converted to Buddhism on October 14, 1956 at the grounds near Ramdespet area in Nagpur. The day is considered auspicious as 6 lakh people followed Dr. Ambedkar in the conversion. The year 1956 holds a historical significance as it marked the 2550th anniversary of Buddhism and was celebrated globally. Additionally, the date 14th October commemorates the conversion of the greatest Mauryan king Ashoka to Buddhism, and the day is observed as Ashok Vijay Dashami. Nagpur was selected for this conversion ceremony as it was the homeland of the Nag people who embraced Buddhism, supported it with great efforts in its early period, and helped its propagation throughout India. On 14th October 1956, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and his wife took the oath of the 3 jewels and 5 precepts from the Burmese monk Mahasthavir Chandramani from Kushinagar, and then administered them along with the 22 vows to the thousands who followed them. Hence, Nagpur became the birthplace of the Neo-Buddhist movement. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar breathed his last on 6 December 1956, just 1.5 months after the Diksha ceremony. This ceremonial conversion continued even after his death, converting 15 to 20 million by March 1959. After his death, the Param Puja Dr. Ambedkar Smarak Samiti or Dr. Ambedkar Memorial Committee was organized for the management of Deekshabhoomi, or the ground where people were ordained as Buddhists. The committee decided to build a stupa at the place as a monument marking the ceremonial mass conversion of people into Buddhism. The geographical area covers over 22 acres of lush green land, with the giant stupa at its center. The famous Nagpur-based architect Shiodan Mal was given the responsibility to design an appropriate structure for the stupa. He traveled the world for more than 2 years studying Buddhist architecture till he came up with a design that reflects the teachings of the Buddha. Although the architectural design is based on the design of the world famous Sanchi stupa, the stupa at Deekshabhoomi is completely hollow and is the largest hollow stupa among all Buddhist stupas. Its construction began in July 1978. For the first time in Asia, central block locking system was used in building a hollow globe-like structure which is the uppermost half of the stupa. It has a diameter of 120 square feet and more than 5,000 people can be lodged at once on this floor of 211 into 211 square meters. The stupa has 4 gates, similar in structuring again to the stupa at Sanchi, and they are mounted with images of the Dhammachakra, horses, elephants and lions, all carved in Rajasthani marble. The stupa was opened for the people on December 18, 2001 after a formal inauguration by the then President of India, Dr. K.R. Narayanan. Unfortunately, Cameras are not allowed into the hall below and the amazing acoustic dome above, both of which are the main attractions at the venue.